about you, and I have seen you everywhere. You are more popular than anyone else is.
It's like a dream. It's like a dream.
What's up? Relax.
First of all,
Oh no, Amani, not at all.
no, ma'am.
Not
I
at
love you
all.
from the core of my heart.
Thank you. Come sit down. Will you have something? Tea, coffee, something?
No.
Are you sure?
I miss you.
Enduku?
I don't know why, ma'am. I'm a fan of you from Om Shanti Bro.
Thank
9
you.
years.
Thank you.
మాట రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్.
ఏం చేస్తున్నారు మీరు?
I'm doing B pharmacy.
Very nice.
హైదరాబాద్ ఇక్కడ.
Oh, you live in Hyderabad?
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
నన్ను తీయకండి మ్యామ్ ఇది యాడ్ ప్లీజ్.
She's saying you need to shoot more of me. And plans ఏంటి లైఫ్ తో? ఫ్యూచర్
ఏం
ప్లాన్స్
లేదు మ్యామ్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఈరోజు చదువుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ టుడే ఐఎమ్ స్టడీయింగ్ దట్స్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ బై గెటింగ్ యువర్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్.
గుడ్. You have to do well. You have to succeed. Fan and all, I appreciate it very much, Amani, and I know how hard you work, and I know how you are literally in the forefront of things when it comes to me, and thank you. I really appreciate it. But sweetheart, you have to focus on your career.
షూర్ మ్యామ్.
Career, life, చాలా important గా ఉంది. Okay?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
బాగా చదువు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ కన్నడలో సాంగ్ పాడారు కదా, తెలుగులో ఎప్పుడు పాడతారు?
soon. నేను సింగర్ లేదు.
బట్
నాకు తెలియదు. I did it just for fun. Let's see. As of now, I don't know.
పక్కా పాడండి మ్యామ్.
Sorry. Do you want to have some water?
నో.
Will you relax? Okay.
ఇది చూడండి ఫస్ట్ పేపర్ కట్స్.
My God.
Since 9 years, I'm doing this. Paper, all your paper articles. Just flip out the pages.
Oh my God, this is so sweet, Amani.
Ma'am, it's like a dream.
Wow. Damn sweet. Thank you.
Ma'am, ఏ ఫిల్మ్ షూట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
Sai Bellamkondado.
యా ఓకే. టైటిల్ కన్ఫర్మ్ కాలేదు.
ఇప్పుడు టైటిల్ పెట్టలేదు. Damn nice. Can you see it? How sweet. She's putting so much effort, na?
Since when I was a kid, ma'am.
Yeah. Really sweet. I'm very touched. Thanks.
She was the one most excited to meet
Of course.
all.
I know her.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
How did you have? From where did you collect all
Newspaper. Since 9 years, I'm doing
This is
like
such an old picture.
Such a perfect cut, no?
Yeah.
అంటే ఆర్టికల్ కూడా ఉండాలి కదా అందుకే.
అవును.
వాళ్ళు ఏదో ఒకటి రాస్తారు. మ్యామ్, I love you, a real life character.
Thank
More
you,
than
Amani.
మ్యామ్, రాధా అండ్ కాళీ లాంటి క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇంకా చేయాలని
Definitely. Now I'm trying to do different sort of activities. See this, guys? So creative.
ఖజానా జ్యువెలరీ.
Yeah. They'll be so happy.
పక్కలకు. Loved it.
I'm glad. From where did you get these?
Discovering new things.
How? I didn't even know it exists.
మ్యామ్, ఇక్కడ ఆటోగ్రాఫ్ కావాలి.
Of course. Santosh,
Yeah,
can you give me a pen?
yeah.
అనుకోలేదు మ్యామ్, మిమ్మల్ని లైఫ్లో చూస్తానని.
ఏంటి?
లైఫ్లో మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తానని అనుకోలేదు.
Most welcome. Thank you so much. This is so sweet, yeah. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma'am. And all in all, Adiraja movie lo Tamil. I watch every Tamil film of yours.
You do?
Yeah.
Meeku Tamil ardhamainda?
I learned from you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. And good. I'm happy. Now watch out. I'm doing Paris.
Yeah, of course. 55th film.
Yes. I do not even know the number.
Yeah. 55th.
Good. I'm going to check with you. I'm going to ask you the next time. I need to know some trivia about me. I'm going to ask you.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'm doing some exciting stuff for money.
Okay.
I'm trying to do things differently. I am trying to do films which are meaningful. I have to obviously strike a balance in my career, so I have to do commercial films.
Yeah.
And I am doing commercial films, but at the same time, I'm trying to do things which are going to be meaningful. So you just have to wait
Okay,
and
ma'am.
be patient.
We are very excited. Twice as much more than you.
Thank you. But besides Paris also, I'm working on some other projects. I'm working on some other stuff. So it should be exciting.
Yeah.
I'll announce it very soon.
కిషాన్ ఎలా ఉన్నాడు?
Chala baunan.
చాలా నచ్చాడు మాకైతే.
He is adorable. Should I show you his picture?
Yeah, sure. వినయ్ ఆంటీ
Very good. Thank you.
అంకుల్ రాలేదా?
No. They are in Bombay. Both. Everyone's in Bombay. Very
నిషా
good.
కరణ్
In Bombay. See this video.
I feel so happy without even eating right now. No food. Are you? Where did I go? Where did I go? Suddenly just. He's finding you very annoying. He's like, look at that face. Look at that face. So what?
సో క్యూట్ మ్యామ్.
My cutie bacha.
యా మ్యామ్ వెన్ ఐ గెటింగ్ మ్యారీడ్ అని అడగాను నేను, బట్ పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటే మాత్రం మాకు ఇన్విటేషన్ ఇవ్వండి.
Of course.
ఫ్రమ్ టీమ్ కాజలిజం
100%.
పక్కా ఇవ్వండి.
Yes, definitely. But not anytime soon. But I will tell you.
వద్దులే, ఇప్పుడే వద్దు.
Whenever I do, 100%.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, పక్కా ఇవ్వండి.
Yes, done. Thank you, Amani. Thank you so much.
ఇంకొక ఇవ్వండి.
Okay.
My parents are watching.
Ain't it? Should I open it?
యా మీరు వద్దులే, వాళ్ళు ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు.
Okay. Take. Santosh,
Yeah.
आप करो. So this thing you've started now, Team Carbonism,
యా
you need to make sure that you do good work with it,
ఓకే షూర్ మ్యామ్.
good activities with it. Chala baga help other people.
యా
Do some CSR activities.
యా ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్సో మైసెల్ఫ్ ఆల్సో.
మీరు ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి.
యా షూర్ మ్యామ్.
నాకు చెప్పండి, నేను ఒకసారి విజిట్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే
One
మ్యామ్.
of your
యాక్చువల్గా
causes.
మీ బర్త్డేకి టీమ్ కాజలిజం మీ ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను.
Oh really?
మీరు ఒప్పుకుంటే అవార్డ్స్
How sweet. Thank you.
కొన్ని అవార్డ్స్ అన్ని మెన్షన్ చేయాలి, మీకు వచ్చినాయని మెన్షన్ చేయాలంటే ఈ ఫ్రేమ్ సరిపోదు.
How sweet. Thank you, Amani.
ఇంట్లో పెట్టుకోండి మ్యామ్.
100%.
బాంబేలో.
Done. Petanu for sure.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Thank you. Very sweet. Thanks for all your effort.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
And now you go have lunch,
ఓకే
and I will meet you the next time.
షూర్.
Okay? Thank you so much.
Can I
Thanks
have
for
a
coming. Of course, come. All the best.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Take care. Okay?
బాయ్ మిస్.
See you.
ఓకే బాయ్.
Take care. Bye. This is not done. No, come sit.
You can't stop my love towards you, man. So I can touch your feet.
No, not at all. Come,
You're
please.
a
sit.
big inspiration, man.
I
Such
hope.
a lovable person, man.
Thank you, and I hope you do really good things for your life and for yourself with all the inspiration. Come,
Thank you
please
so
sit.
much, man.
How are you?
Fine, man. First of all, a small book.
Thank you.
Favorite author.
Thank you. Yes, and I haven't read this book.
Yeah, it's so like.
Thank you.
I think your favorite novel is Fountainhead.
Yeah.
Fountainhead.
Yes, that's right.
I thought you didn't read it, so only I'm giving it.
I haven't read it. Thank you so much. Why don't you write your name?
I'll give my sign now. So that my hands are shivering.
actually my official sign up. Any bank account, anything, I'll use that sign up.
Are you serious?
Sure, yes, ma'am. It's Jennifer Kajal. I
How
told my name.
sweet.
Really, ma'am. 10 years of my love on you.
Thank you so much. So what do people call you, Jenny?
Jennifer Kajal. It's fixed.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. All my classmates, friends, everyone will call me as Jennifer Kajal.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
And where are you from?
From Mancherial. You came to a shopping mall opening, Venkateshwara shopping
Yeah.
mall. I came on that day. I
You
was
were
on
there?
second floor.
Yeah.
You just passed away in front of me. I touched your hand. That woman took my hand out there. I just cried like anything on seeing you first time in my life. I saw you.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. 10 years of my love. First time I saw you. Was I not able to control?
Just chill. You want water?
No, ma'am. Yes, I want to see you.
And what do you do? Are you studying?
Yes, ma'am. We take third year civil engineering.
Superb. What plans after this?
Job. Trying for government job.
Is it a good option after BTech?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Civil engineering, no? So that government sector it will be nice.
Good, good. Study hard. Is this your final year?
No, ma'am. Third year. Now from June, July it is final.
Final. So then board exams and everything. You better study hard.
You are my inspiration, ma'am. Sick of you, I'm studying.
You
ma'am.
have to kill it.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Fist bump.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
No average, no
No, ma'am.
semi-average stuff is allowed.
Being Kajal fan, how can I get average?
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Totally.
No.
Good girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you have to do really well. You have to make your parents really proud. Are you the only child? You have siblings?
Sis.
Younger? Elder?
Elder sis.
What does she do?
Marriage.
Nice.
Two sons also.
Oh wow. Superb.
They will sing that Pakka Local song, Ammadu Kummudu. They are
Really?
big fan of the
How
song.
sweet.
And
How
my
old are
dad's
you?
also.
How old are you?
2 and 4 years.
Oh, so cute.
They will sing total song, ma'am, Pakka Local song. They will die for that song. If they keep that song, so they will dance like anything.
So cute.
He will say Kajal Pini. I'm Pini for him. He will say Kajal Pini for me.
Oh.
Not my name. We'll call us Kajal Pini.
How
I was
sweet.
given, see Kajal is coming here. Kajal ad, Kajal movie, Kajal song. I'll make him like anything.
How
Ma'am,
sweet.
which movie shooting?
This is with Sai Belamkonda.
Okay. Movie name?
It's not titled yet,
Okay.
but they'll title it soon. I'll tell
Advance
her.
happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's your birthday month.
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Ma'am, we are thinking of fans meet birthday.
Yeah,
Or
where?
not before birthday. You
Where?
have wish, ma'am. If you given permission, you will arrange and record.
I will not be able to come, Jennifer, because I will be traveling for work.
Oh, you know my name?
Of course, I can.
Travel. Oh, no, before. After any day. Team
Oh,
Kajalism wanna meet you.
I
ma'am.
know, I know. Can I let you know?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, can I let you all know in some time? I will tell you within a day or two.
From Kajalism team, I and Amini has.
I know, I just met Amini.
All are we have created a group since many years, 5 years.
WhatsApp group?
No, ma'am. Facebook. We will follow all your updates, photos, stills, HD pics, everything in that Twitter trend. Today is 7 p.m. district Twitter trend month.
Really?
Birthday month, Kajal birthday.
Oh my god. But listen, so I just told Amini also, with this whole thing now, with this whole Kajalism thing, you all have to do something really good.
Yeah, ma'am. This year we plan to donate blood. Every
Fab.
yes, sir.
Fab.
Every Kajalism day also celebrate, ma'am. December 20. We are planning everything new for survival cancer like that. We are camps like
Yeah.
that. We are planning everything.
Amazing.
This birthday, donate blood.
Super.
Save
Thank
nature
you.
and donate blood. ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am. We are planning something new every day. That is our
Super.
love on you, ma'am.
Perfect. Thank you. I really, really appreciate everything and all the love and support. But I want you guys to do something for yourselves, and I want you all to give back to society in whatever way possible.
Sure. Being your fan, it's our duty, ma'am, to do
And
that.
as women, we need to uplift each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Uplift each other, uplift people, the women around us.
I gave a presentation in my class, ma'am, about women empowerment. I kept your photos in the slides also. Actress Kajal Agarwal was also supporting women empowerment.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. For every thank you slide, I will use your photo only, ma'am.
And how was your presentation?
Presentation, I got 93 out of 100 marks.
Woo!
Yes, ma'am. I thought you are my lucky champion.
Wow!
Yes, ma'am.
Amazing!
Every presentation I'll get nearly 95, 90 above I'll get, ma'am. Using your slide, thank you slide will be yours.
Good, perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And just kill it now. Do really well in your presentations, do really well in your college. And enjoy your life. Enjoy yourself, have fun.
hoping you to do more number of movies, ma'am.
I am
Congratulations for it to 11 years of journey
Thank
and
you.
55 plus movies.
Thank you. But I am doing a lot of work.
Do more, ma'am.
I am doing some really good films, things that you guys will really enjoy and really
Waiting for
love.
Paris.
Yeah, but also Paris, and then even after that, I have arranged films which are very different.
Yeah.
You all will see me in maybe in some negative roles also.
Wow, ma'am, I forgot to tell. In our movie, you're super, ma'am.
You like it?
Excellent.
So I tried to do something different.
In climax, your expression. Really,
I'm glad you like it.
Nene Raju, Nene Mantri, everything in my phone. Amma, how many GBs here? Photos, movies, ads, everything.
Your parents don't get irritated?
They know, ma'am. I know only study and Kajal. Now coming here also, I came alone. They
But-
have belief on me. I'm from
So
Mancherial.
yeah, so how did you come?
Train.
And how much time it took you?
5 hours.
And you're going back today?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
But you'll be reaching at night.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So it's safe.
Safe. Before
okay.
9 I'll reach, ma'am. Super fast express is there. Before I'll reach.
Perfect. Good. And please text us to tell us you've reached.
Oh, okay, sure.
I have created a group on internet.
Yeah, so just make sure everyone texts you. Great, perfect. And you were saying, so I was telling you, so I'm doing different kind of work. I'm doing like really different. I want to try and experiment with the kind of films I do. I want to try and do films where the woman's character is really strong. But you know, unfortunately, in our industry, every time there's a strong woman protagonist role, no, people think it's either a horror film or it's some warrior princess film, or it's supposed to be like a woman-oriented film means that there's no other genre. But that's not true. I mean, it can be a really good love story, but from the point of view of the girl,
Yes, ma'am.
you know. So I'm trying to break those stereotypes,
Yes, ma'am. You should.
trying my best.
You're a star heroine. If you do those also, somewhere else in the top.
So trying to expand my horizon as well, and I want you to expand yours as well.
Sure, ma'am.
Deal?
Deal. Yes, done. Ma'am, there is a rumor about item song in NTR 28. No, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
One
We
was
need
enough.
just Paka Local. That's
Yeah. Enough. For me also.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
it. I'm not doing it.
Yes, doing an item song, special song also, it did not decrease your craze, ma'am. It increased. Your dance was ultimate, ma'am.
Thanks. I really worked hard for it.
I know, ma'am. Making video also they have released, ma'am. I saw in that. Great, ma'am. Being such a huge artist.
I worked for 4 days before the dance. Like before we shot, I was practicing for 4 days because I wanted to make sure that the dance comes out well. It's my one and only. Like it has to be good, and I wanted to try and do to the best of my ability. And I'm not a dancer, so I have never taken any formal dance training in my life. So this was the first time that I was actually, working so
Yes.
hard for a particular song.
You know, ma'am, you SKFX team members have sent me a gift on my birthday.
I know that. You
Yeah.
told me.
Yeah.
I'm in touch with them. I know what's happening.
Such a biggest gift in my life, ma'am. Exactly on birthday I got it. Actually, I won a contest, so that they give me. And from SKFX, I think you have kept a special message for me.
Yeah.
It was a blast. I was minus shock. I don't know what to do. Kajal team members all are saying Kajal, Jennifer, you got greens from Kajal. All are in a shock.
How sweet.
Gift also I got on that and the special message also.
So happy that you liked it.
Yes, ma'am. Really, I liked it a lot. And I got a big life-size poster on which you slept like this. You were doing like that. I got it also. I kept in my home. In like big frame, I kept and I kept, ma'am. And from SKFX, I got 3-4 gifts, ma'am.
So nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. I'm glad SKFX is pampering you.
Yes, ma'am. Without winning any contest, they sent me a Deepavali gift also.
How
Of a
nice.
Silver bowl
Yes.
with badam in it, not kaju. I thought it will be kaju.
Next time we'll send this Diwali we'll send Kaju guys.
Still, ma'am.
Done deal. You have lunch? Go and have lunch. Go and have lunch.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we brought a cake for you. Just cut it,
Thank you. Sure I will.
Thank you so
Definitely.
much, ma'am. Ma'am, your autograph.
Of course.
Sure.
Thanks for the book, yeah. I'm really happy. I'm gonna read it and tell you what I think of
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
it. 100%.
Sorry, paper is not nice.
That's
ma'am,
okay,
but-
no problem. Jenny, you know my name was
Yes,
Jenny in
ma'am.
the
Dolazan ki
Kahani.
kahani. Yes. On that day I was in shock.
Really?
My name in your movie.
Can you understand my handwriting?
Yes, ma'am.
My handwriting is terrible. Terrible is an understatement. Can you understand anything that you're zooming in? It's terrible handwriting, guys. You know, they say that doctors have really bad handwriting. I must have been a doctor in some birth for sure.
Finally, I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you for coming.
ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Selfie, ma'am.
Yeah, come.
Don't like that message. So I thought she might not see, like I'm not aware of boosting like that. So when I got a message from you, it is very exciting for me. I have seen so many times that message, like it is, oh my god, Kajal has a message
Oh,
like this.
sweet.
So it's one of sweetest memory. Also, I received souvenir from you.
You got it?
Yes.
I'm glad you did.
I shown to my colleagues. Everyone is jealous of me.
Where are you working?
I'm working as assistant manager in IDBI Bank.
Oh, super.
In Guntur location.
Very nice.
Previously, I worked with the TCS here in Hyderabad.
Right.
Later on, I moved to IDBI Bank.
Fabulous. Very nice.
Thank you.
And you stay in Guntur?
Yes, right now. Yesterday I came here.
Lovely. Lovely.
We are waiting from 11 months, but anyway, you are very much busy. We know, we can understand.
I have been running around shooting for my films.
Yes.
Really not had the time. I wanted to do this earlier, but unfortunately I had no time because I was not in one place to
Yes.
call all
Yes,
of you all.
Yes, sure.
But I'm glad that it's finally happening.
Yes, sure.
I'm super happy to meet you all.
Also, the app is very good. I mean, it is a good platform for us. Like, even we can share the news feed also. And if you get time, you will also see and commenting.
I do
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
It's actually very useful for me also
Yes.
because it's a great way to keep in touch with all of you.
Sure.
I find it very helpful to like directly interact with my fans.
Yes. Also, you wish me on my birthday also.
Yes, of course.
So many memories after coming to app, after getting on this app. So this is very exciting actually.
I'm glad.
I can't believe today also, like it is happening now. I wish it will go along, like Earth does not move or it will take 1 hour or like that.
Unfortunately, Mahesh, I don't have 1 hour because I have to go back to shoot.
That's why Earth will move slowly. I'm praying. Just can I give you 2 gifts like a
How
birthday?
sweet. Thank you. We also should have had something. We have?
I'll send them something.
What is this?
Just a pen engraved your name on it.
How
also,
sweet.
And also like best wishes teddy bear will be there, smaller one. Just-
So sweet. Thank you.
Just one more gift. This is also a frame, photo frame with a message kind of thing.
You know you don't have to, right? You don't need to.
No, I know, man. I know that's one. But this is just from a fan, like, just if you accept it, we'll feel happy. Like
Thank
this.
you. I really, really appreciate it.
Just-
Thank you.
Just a small request. My family want to see you like in WhatsApp. If you
Okay,
give
sure.
permission,
Yeah,
just-
yeah, yeah. Yeah, no problem. Who all are there in your family?
My father, my brother, he completed his BTech. My mother, homemaker.
Lovely. Your family must be very proud of you for working with TCS and then a bank and everything.
Just 2 minutes I'll take, not much.
Aram se. Chill, no problem. Please have lunch and go, okay?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. You had your lunch?
I just did.
Okay.
Yeah.
ఒకసారి నాకు కాల్ చేయమను నేను మేడంతో ఉన్నాను ఒకసారి కాల్ చేయ ఓకే it's your birthday month also. That is another advantage for us. We can't get a chance again to meet on his birthday. Hello? ఒకసారి త్వరగా చేయమని త్వరగా. Actually, they also want to come, but maybe they'll allow or not. That's why they are not. They stopped.
Next time.
So definitely. Hello? 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 ఒకసారి చూడు ఒకసారి. He is my brother.
Hi.
He is Charan. Hello?
Hi, Charan.
Just a minute, they have a connectivity issue. Hello? కనిపిస్తుందా? త్వరగా కనిపిస్తుందా? హలో హలో
ఇంటర్నెట్
Network is a problem.
హలో కనిపిస్తుందా? హలో కనిపిస్తుందా?
Hi. ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
He is my father. He is my brother.
Thank you.
There.
Hello.
She is my mother.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేను బాగున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. మీరు?
Whenever any clip of your comes in TV, she never.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీరు ప్లీజ్ చూడండి. ఓకే, నైస్ టు టాక్ టు యూ. టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Thank you so much for coming.
Just a small greeting from maybe on birthday. I cannot-
Thank you. How sweet.
Just-
How sweet. How sweet. I love this. Thank you. Very sweet.
This is you are very special to us. Like this is a small greeting kind of thing.
Oh, how sweet. I'm really excited. I love this. How sweet.
Thank you.
It's so pretty.
Thank you.
Damn cute.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mahesh. You really made my pre-birthday celebration
My day is
very exciting.
Thank you so much. Just one thing.
Yeah, of course. Come.